Hi, my name is Baldeep Pradhan and I will be your trainer for the Mittlearn's Guitar Essential course.
This course is designed exclusively for the beginners who want to start learning guitar. I will now teach you the fundamental concepts of guitar, names of the different parts of a guitar, how to tune a guitar, the correct postures of playing a guitar, learning and practicing the concepts of strumming, finger picking, playing chords, chord diagrams, many more interesting things. Once you become the master of these fundamental concepts, you will be able to understand and learn how to approach the learning of new songs through these basic concepts. By the end of this exhaustive course, you will have learnt the countless guitar rhythm techniques that will allow you to pick up new songs across a wide range of genres all on your own.